Alright guys, another day and another video from Chris. So we're going to go over PPE and the measures that we're taking before entering a client's home. So the most important thing right now is we want to leave any unnecessary clothing or external clothing in our vehicles. It's pretty chilly right now, so we can leave it in the car or on the porch or just outside the door if it's an apartment. So we're going to grab our equipment just like normal. We'll either check your notes just in case we're using our client's vacuum. We're doing that a lot right now. But grab your equipment and then we're going to go up to the staging area. So this used to be the front entrance and we're now using it as our staging area. Alright, so before we enter the home, we'll set our equipment down and we want to get our gloves, masks, and booties. So firstly, we'll get our booties on and make sure that we've just sanitized our hands before walking up here. And so we'll get our booties on our shoes. And then next up, we want to get our gloves on. So to get a fresh pair of gloves out, and we'll put these on. And then lastly, if requested, we will be wearing masks as well. And so you want to just put it on over your ears. And there's a wire in here that we're going to pinch over your nose. And then you want to pull this bottom part down and just make sure that you get really good coverage. This is for a client protection, not so much yours. All right, and then once the mask is on, our gloves are on, you're going to take your sanitizer and make sure that you're sanitizing your gloves. You can either use our spray or hand sanitizer, either way. And we just want to make sure that we have a really clean gloves to start with. And so once that's done, we're going to grab our equipment and go in as normal. Watch out, kitty. Hey, buddy. So, once we exit the home, just as normal, we're going to walk up. And then if they have a lockbox or under the mat, we want to make sure we leave the key for our client. And then one last final step, if we're using sanitizer at this client's home, we want to make sure to grab these touch points. And so make sure we get the outside of the door. The inside should already be done. And we just want to leave everything sanitized. Okay. And we're going to make sure that any used microfiber from this client's house is going into our used bag. And again, just want to reinforce that we're only using one bag per client's home. Every time you clean a house, make sure that all the microfiber that we're using is going into the bag that we used in that house. And then once it's removed, we won't want to bring it into any other client's homes. All right. And so at this point, you can remove your mask. We want to try to do one mask per home. Supply is really limited right now, so we may be needing to make the exception where we wear one mask per day. And so mask off, that's going to go in your plastic mask bag, and then remove your gloves. So just another reminder, we want to pinch inside out, ball up, under, inside out, and then in your trash bag. And then we can leave the staging area and be on the way to the next clean.